Someone asked me, can you explain in detail the role of credit bureau? Put simply, a credit bureau is an organization that collects, maintains, and provides credit information about individuals and businesses. That is what they do. They gather from financial institutions like banks and microfinance specifically, just banks and microfinance. Of course, they sometimes utility company, but as far as Nigerian system is concerned, the one they gather most is the bank and microfinance. So that is why most loan apps they can't use them, at least for now. Only microfinance banks can report it to credit bureaus, at least for now. So what they do basically is that they promote transparency, they promote reducing risk, they promote enabling access to credit. For instance, if you want to get a loan in bank, they will check your credit score, your credit report, if you are owing a number of banks or something like that. So, or you have a bad record, they will be able to decide if they want to give you that loan or not. So their key function is credit information collection. So the moment you apply for a loan in banks or microfinance institutions, by default they log it, they create a credit report for it automatically. But I'm not sure if it's automated. I'm not that certain. But I know that if the moment you get a loan from bank, they will automatically create a credit history for you, so that if you did not pay your money, it will affect your credit score. You can check your credit score and you have between 350 or thereabout to 800 or thereabouts. I'm going to talk more about the credit score. Credit bureau in Nigeria operate under the oversight of CBN, and they are highly regulated. They don't just accept any data. They have to verify and do a number of things. So, and they protect our data as well. So not that anybody can just log in and check your credit score. Only designated people can actually check your credit score. You understand? There are three major licensed credit bureaus in Nigeria. We have CRC Credit Bureau Limited, we have Credit Registry, and we have Force Central. So those are three major credit bureaus in Nigeria. There are many ones like SDS Credit Bureau, and many of them like that. You can actually access your credit from their portal. You know, as it is now, it's very difficult to borrow from another bank that you're not banking with. But with credit bureau, they can trust you. They can say, oh, this person has a good credit score. Even in developed countries, you cannot access a number of things if you don't have good credit score. They actually want you to borrow and then get things, pay back. I'm going to give you in-depth details about credit bureau. Please follow us for more information so that you have full understanding of how credit bureau works in Nigeria. Thank you.